Golf is a huge mental game, and there's a lot of focus, patience, and pushing yourself when no one's looking. I think that's what the Cleary Cougars team has this year.
I love my team. It's like a family. I don't want to leave Cleary because of how tight-knitted we are.
I've made so many friendships with these girls. I've known them now for 4 years, and I can't ever be more grateful for knowing them.
My experience as a freshman has been amazing. The girls have all been so nice and inclusive of me, making sure that I feel included, especially as the only freshman on the team.
Everyone wants to see each other excel and do better each day, and that's one of the best things about it.
I think this team has a lot of potential. I'm really looking, forward to the rest of the season. I think we're off to a good start.
I love the struggles in golf. I love, golf's always fighting back, and it's about focusing on one shot at a time.
If you're looking for a tight-knit, family-like campus and a really great group of people, Cleary is definitely the place for you, and I wouldn't have chose any other school.